Film advisory warning. This film contains profanity. But it all gets bleeped out. Like when I say, f**k. But, you'll still be able to tell what all the shitty words are anyway. Sorry. I missed bleeping out shitty. This film also contains violence. So you might see some blood, guts, and other stuff pouring out of bodies. But don't worry. It's all fake. So don't get your panties in a wad. Also, there's not safe for work stuff, sexual innuendos, probably some alcohol references, but no drugs. Except cigarettes. And wine. Maybe beer. Maybe a good scotch. If that's possible. So, first, the management is not responsible for any permanent brain damage, guaranteed to happen as a result of viewing this film. Second, if you are easily offended, then get your sorry ass the f**k out. Damn it. I did it again. I missed bleeping ass. Anyway, if your spouse, partner or friend, or other strange person of unusual interest, is easily offended, you can tell them to get the f**k out right now. I think that covers it. Thank you for watching. And enjoyed the show.